So when I'm running out of house with this bazooka, the biggest problem I run into are closets. They're the things that suck the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do to get these the backs of the closets taped. So what I do, I put the top piece on, run it up without using this wheel, and I grab it with my fingers like so, pull it off, and I bring it down. And then I just go up. Fix it. And then again, we're gonna just run it up from the top. Grab it with your two fingers here. You want it more or less the length of the bazooka, a little bit less. And you just pull it down. And just get back up. Like so. Once you got that piece on, you're gonna have this top piece. This is really important to use your wheel to get it stuck on there. It's never gonna stay perfect. When you put it on, you just kind of organize it with your wheel. And then the rest is just like everything else. Now it's taping angles in the closet, hardest part of the house.